today we're hanging out with Troy here, one of the welding professors here at WDT. And now today we're just talking about a new AWS certification that you guys have here at WDT. So tell us about it.
So last year we decided to become an AWS accredited test facility. And what that does is allows us to administer welding tests in accordance with AWS requirements, and students or outside test candidates that pass the test, they will become a AWS certified welder. And the only way to be an AWS certified welder is by taking a test at an accredited test facility.
So that would be here. Okay, so why would somebody go on to do this?
It has a lot of weight to it because AWS has really strict standards and requirements in order to meet that accredited test facility accreditation. So employers that see a student that has this certification, it means something because they know that it was taken at an accredited test facility and we have to meet those strict requirements set forth by the AWS.
Then would it be a potential to earn more money?
Yeah, many employers, they have tech levels, and there's an employment tech level. And then those tech levels increase as the employee has better skills or knowledge. And if they can prove that they are a certified welder, usually that will bump them up a tech level or two, which definitely increases their pay. So the biggest thing is we want to give our students every advantage they can get when they enter the field. So not only when they graduate here will they have an associate's degree, but now they can be a certified welder through the American Welding Society, and that's a big deal.
Okay, so if somebody is looking to get this accreditation, what should they do?
So if somebody wants to take a weld test that's not a student, they can just contact Western Dakota Tech Corp Ed office and they can get an application and then we'll get the ball rolling for them.